What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. You guys, I just want to let y'all in on a little something. Before you start gardening, if you've never had a garden before, if you've never grown anything before you get started, I need you to know one thing. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. When it comes down to growing food and when it comes down to your garden, your space, whatever it is that you're growing, never compare your progress to anyone else's progress. There's always going to be a bigger, better, more beautiful garden. Trust me, I've seen so many different types of gardens, so many sizes. I mean, come on now. Y'all just don't compare yourself. Don't compare yourself, and because that's not gonna get you anywhere in this gardening game. Don't compare yourself to others. Go at your own pace. Do your own thing. If anything, use a more beautiful garden, or use those big beautiful gardens as motivation to make your garden the best that it can be. Everybody does things differently. I've been doing more of a fresh compost method, and my plants are really green, but not everybody does that, and that's okay. Like, I do a lot of vitamin C in my garden through orange peel. All of that plays a role. So if you don't eat oranges, or you don't have access to the fruit, then you probably won't have as much vitamin C in your garden as I do. At least without paying. Don't compare yourself. Just keep learning and growing. I'm learning every day, because we all know that it takes patience in all seasons to grow food. And I've been at this for a few years now, and I grew up with a gardener, and I come from a long line of farmers. Well, I ain't gonna say a long line. I'm gonna say I know one set for sure that, my great grandparents, they were farmers / sharecroppers. So that's the one thing you need to know. Before you even get started with this thing, don't get frustrated. It might take some time, you know what I'm saying? But don't compare yourself. Don't be like, oh, I wish my garden looked like that. No, it ain't gonna look like that. You know why? Because that ain't your garden. Some people have a lot of help with their garden. Some people have landscapers, people that they can just tell the vision to, and it can happen. You know what I'm saying? You gotta use what you got at the time, though. If you don't have a spot like this, then just use pots. Use raised beds. But please don't compare yourself to others. Know this, understand this, and keep going, do your thing. Y'all, I got a lot of updates to do in the future. That's Brussels sprouts right there coming in. Check out my videos on the Brussels. I gotta get going, y'all. But I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.